Hi guys, so I wanted to make a video about the Trader 2 last Friday. So here I'm on TradingView and this is Thursday's candle. So obviously price is in a hurry, right? Really displacement lower, reacting from this value gap and now probably attacking these lows right here, this low and this low. But it's really in a hurry. So what do I expect for today? Um, I expect this low to get taken out, and it can be in London session. It can also be in New York session. You don't know, but you have to just see and follow price action. So here I am on the 1H, very close to this low. So it's very tricky to take a trade in this moment. Wait, let's mark out those other two lows that are as interest to me. This low is my goal, and let's put another one right there. It's also my goal. All right. So there they are. Those are my points of interest. Yeah, as you can see now, let's go to London session. Okay, here's where London opens. So I'm just following and watching price to see what London is going to do. And London just drops. It just melts. It takes this low, and this is obviously purely manipulation. Only sell side delivery, no buy side delivery whatsoever. So usually when this happens, you can expect some kind of a retracement. Also remember it's Friday, so price was really in a hurry to take out these two lows, which it did immediately on London Open. So for me there was no entry here. Then lunch came, and lunch just made it kind of a total soup and reacted from it and retraced. So at this moment we have a very nice range to work with on the 1 hour, because we can take this swing high to this swing low. I'm removing the doll because liquidity has been taken, obviously. So what I'm interested in right now is to see how price reacts and what the price is doing. So mainly this is very interesting, bearish value gap. So I'm just watching price to see how it's going to react in premium, because we have a really steep price action. And as you can see, it's visible on the 5-minute price really slowing, but it is going up. It's slow, it goes up, it goes down. So it's now broken above the 25% level, right? Look at this, it's very nice to see. There's this value gap. You can see how this value gap is being respected. Look at the bodies, not closing below, no mohawks, nothing, just respecting the value gap that's on top of the 25% level. Then it breaks above it again, and then it fails to have bodies in the value gap. Bodies are closing outside the value gap. So then price is accumulating, right? And then it's manipulating to the upside, breaking through the 50% level. So now it becomes interesting. Now we are at equilibrium from this whole range, from Asia high to London low. Then what we have, price is moving around the 50% level. Now it becomes interesting for me. So now I'm watching the 1 minute and the 5-minute. We tapped into this value gap once. Usually they tap into it twice, so I'm waiting for it to take out this high right there, which it does here. And now I'm just waiting to see what price is going to do. It's going to tap midpoint. Does it feel to top the midpoint, or are we going to get a displacement lower? So I'm only looking for shorts now, mainly because of the way price is moving. We have a displacement lower, and look how slow price is going up. This is no intent to go higher. And look at this phantom trend line. Yeah, so we have a slow move to the upside. We are above 50%. We are inside of a 1 hour fair value gap. The 50-minute. There's also this fair value gap right there, which is resting inside of the 1 hour fair value gap in the bottom part. So let's mark this out, minus fair value gap 15. Notice how these candles are respecting the midpoint of this lower fair value gap of the 50-minute, right? Not even able to touch the mid-level of the 1 hour fair value gap. So I'm just toggling here between time frames. So now it almost fills, but still leaves a small portion open of the 15-minute fair value gap. There's this one. Okay, and now what we have is very nice. We have a relatively equal highs. This high and this high are now taken by this candle, and now we see displacement lower. And also we have this market structure break, right? We have this break in market structure. So what I did was I placed a limit order. I went short, and maybe on this candle already. So I took a market order. I saw this happening, got a little bit of FOMO, but I wanted to be in the straight. And initially I just did hard 1 to 2 or something. I know this is yeah, 1 to 2. I got tagged in the straight and just put my TP somewhere for the 1 to 2. Then I went to the I think it was the 50-minute. Yeah. And next thing that I did was okay, so I'm in right. I explained this all this stuff. So next thing I did was measure the low to this high right there. I looked at the 50% and I measured this move to see if there's some, yeah, I noticed these equal lows right there, so the bodies and just above 50% to make sure, and that gives me a nice 1 to 2.7. And price just went against me first here, but price did respect the 50% level of this bearish fair value gap on the 50-minute, and then it just tanked. Not really tanked, but it went in my favor eventually. Here I got scared a bit. I was nicely in profit. Price came back all the way to my entry. And then it went straight to my TP. Yeah, that's what happened. Something like that. I did not take any partials whatsoever. I just let it run. Did not move my stop. Just enter, and I was trying to be patient. So I was a bit nervous 2 times. I thought, oh no, it's going to get a loss. It's going to be another loss here. And then price finally broke structure here. I thought, okay, now we're going straight to my TP. But then it this move. Then I got, oh no, why? But yeah, apparently it was just a retracement. Take out, buy side quickly, a seducement move, whatever. Anyway, respecting this order block. And then just went to my TP. And yes, I could have held it longer, because if you look what happens next, it's just, it was just dropping. Why didn't I do it? Well, mainly because it was Friday. Friday already moved. London made already a very big move. We had a big retracement. I wasn't expecting this price action on Friday. Maybe price wanted to make a deeper retracement and do a TGIF. So I was very careful about my TP. But yeah, pretty happy with my trade. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.